Welcome to this tutorial. Imagine being able to design and build a fully functional website in just minutes, or even seconds, with the power of AI. That's exactly what Relume offers. In this video we're going to show you how to effortlessly design and build beautiful marketing websites using Relume's AI's first web builder. Whether you're a designer, a developer, or a business owner, Relume is a new secret weapon for creating stunning websites quickly and efficiently. So let's dive in. Relume is packed with tools to make web design a breeze. Here's how it works. Start with a sitemap. Relume allows you to quickly generate a sitemap to organize your site's structure. You can define pages like the homepage, product pages, and contact forms and easily arrange them. Once your sitemap is ready, it's time to build a wireframe. Relume's wireframe builder is fast. Start by selecting components like headers, footers, testimonials, and more from Relume's vast cross-platform component library. Now let's talk about one of the Relume's coolest features, the AI Assistant. This smart tool not only helps you choose the right layouts, but also assists with content generation. Need help copywriting? AI can suggest compelling content. Just give the AI some basic info and watch it generate high-quality content in seconds. Once your wireframe or content are ready, Relume makes it easy to export everything to tools like Figma or Webflow. Whether you need a pixel-perfect design or are ready to jump straight into development, Relume's exports are seamless and fully optimized. You can even export responsive design elements, ensuring your website looks great on any device, whether it's desktop, tablet, or mobile. Leverage Relume's component library to quickly put together professional-looking designs. Focus on choosing components that fit your branding and user goals. Rely on Relume's AI to handle repetitive tasks like writing copy or selecting layout options. This frees up creativity for higher-level design decisions. You can use Relume's commenting feature to gather feedback from clients or team members. It's a great way to get quick insights and make changes before the final design. When exporting to platforms like Webflow, make sure to optimize images, scripts, and styles for faster loading times. While AI can help you build fast, don't forget that personalization and creativity are still essential. Customize layouts and copy to fit specific needs of your audience. Skipping the sitemap planning stage can lead to disorganized websites. Make sure you plan your site structure carefully to ensure a smooth user experience. Mobile-first design is more important than ever. Always preview and optimize your designs for mobile devices before finalizing the export.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.